Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to review Aminos AI. Aminos AI is a no-code chatbot builder designed to help users create automated chatbots for websites, lead generation, and customer engagement. It offers a drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible for those without coding experience. The platform also integrates with tools like Zapier, allowing for seamless automation of workflows. User feedback on Aminos AI is mixed. Some users appreciate its simplicity and features like the hybrid function, which combines user data with AI capabilities. However, others have expressed dissatisfaction, suggesting that alternative platforms like Zapier and Closebot may offer better functionality. In terms of trustworthiness, Aminos AI has an average to good trust score on Scam Advisor, indicating that it appears to be a legitimate website. Nonetheless, some concerns have been raised, such as the use of privacy services to hide ownership details and a relatively low number of visitors. In summary, Aminos AI is a user-friendly chatbot builder suitable for individuals and small businesses looking to implement conversational interfaces without coding. While it has its merits, potential users could consider their specific needs and possibly explore other options to ensure the best fit for their requirements. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.